Hello, everyone. It's great to have you all here today as we explore a fascinating topic in food processing. Imagine a world where cutting edge technology meets culinary artistry. In this video, we are about to take you into potential future of steak aging where ultrasound is our secret ingredient. Meet John. John has indulged in enjoying a nice, juicy, flavorful, medium rare dry aged steak until he gets the bill. Why is dry aged steak so expensive? Dry aging is a specialized and complex process for enhancing the flavor and tenderness of beef. The process is time consuming, limiting its scalability with the necessity of using only the highest grade meat and high production loss. Contamination risk of pathogenic molds and bacteria is another concern. Trim and moisture loss further increases the unit price of dry-aged steak. Could you please help? Definitely. In fact, Dr. Francisco taught me exactly how to solve process technology issues. The solution is ultrasound. Let's dig in and understand the mechanism of this technology. Let's understand what is ultrasound. Ultrasound waves are high frequency sound waves that have frequency greater than 20 kHz, which is beyond the range of human hearing. Animals like dolphin and bats use ultrasound for navigation and hunting purposes. Learning from them, human created sonar technology which is being widely used in radars today. Let's understand the mechanism behind it. The mechanism of this process involves a series of rapid and successive compressions and rarefactions in the food material induced by ultrasound. With each contraction, a very small amount of water is expelled towards the surface of the product, and this water is evaporated by hot gas or steam. Now, the specific novel processing technique that we came up with is airborne ultrasound assisted dry aging steak. Airborne ultrasound assisted drying technique operates via high frequency sound waves that increase the vibration of water molecules, accelerating the evaporation process. While it has been successfully tested in variety of fruits and vegetables, its novelty truly shines when applied to meat. Studies have shown that the process increases the effective diffusibility of water with the product, thus speeding up the drying process by 13 to 44%. Let's delve into how this technology operates. To provide a consistent drying environment, the air blower coupled with electric heater circulates hot air around the beef that rests on the material net tray. The temperature and velocity detector ensures that the conditions within the system remain optimal. The vibration disk vibrates at high frequencies in tandem with the ultrasonic transducer to disturb the water molecules in the beef and fasten the process of moisture loss. By fine-tuning other parameters such as humidity, temperature, and the ability of ultrasound to precisely manipulate the aging conditions, this method shows potential in dry aging of beef. Beyond drying, this technique has been used for various applications, including microbial decontamination. Since I mentioned microbial decontamination, let's talk about microbiology involved. In the world of dry aging, key player microorganisms are cyclotrophic aerobic bacteria, that are Pseudomonas, lactic acid bacteria, and yeasts. But there is a challenge. Pseudomonas can spoil the beef and disrupt the dry aging process. Some molds can enhance flavor and tenderness, but they can also produce mycotoxins, which is a health concern. Ultrasound's magic trick is called cavitation, creating and bursting tiny bubbles that apply strong mechanical forces to microbes. What's fascinating is how different microorganisms respond. Some can resist, example gram-positive bacteria, which has thick cell wall due to thick peptidoglycan layer, while others are more vulnerable like gram-negative bacteria. When operating at a frequency of approximately 20 kHz, ultrasound treatments have shown great promise in reducing psychrophilic bacteria populations, with an average of 0.675 log 10 colony forming units per ml. And here's the kicker, it gets more effective as time goes by. By fine tuning the operating parameters, ultrasound pre-treatment can be a game changer, reducing microbial loads and improving food safety. Moving on to moisture loss, approximately 3 quarters of meat is water, and about 10% of water is in live muscles bound to muscle proteins, compared to 5 to 10% of water located in small channels between adjacent cells or extracellular spaces. However, most of water content is located in spaces between thin and thick filaments of myofibrils. During aging, the water holding capacity is lower, moisture loss during storage is greater owing to surface evaporation and exudation of cuts. With ultrasound pre-treatment, this process can be expedited due to ultrasound's capacity to enhance both proteolysis and protein denaturation, leading to speeded dry aging and tenderization respectively. Every superhero has their kryptonite, and even our fantastic ultrasound technology isn't without its quirks. Let's explore the limitations that keep it grounded. Although the use of ultrasound in food industry has been generating vast applications, but there are certain limitations that needs attention. First, the inability to obtain large-scale ultrasonic reactors is an issue. Second, the calculated power requirement for scaling up will almost certainly be unrealistically high. And third, ultrasonic equipment custom made for individual use raises the expense of implementing this technology in businesses. So now that we have chewed through the meaty details of ultrasound treated dry aged steak, looking ahead we can envision possibilities for slicing through the capital investment, operating cost, and ultimately the retail price of dry aged steak. So now let's unwrap the juiciest insights and savor the key takeaways from this sonic culinary adventure. First, using ultrasound technology, we can target tenderization, increase efficiency, and decrease spoilage. Second, as we progress, scalable solutions will emerge in addition to technological advancements that will make dry aged beef widely available. And third, this means gourmet dry aged steak can be affordable, a future where steak doesn't eat into your savings. Who knows? Our student budgets might just embrace gourmet steak nights. As we conclude our ultrasound powered journey through the world of steak aging, remember that innovation knows no bounds. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and who knows what delicious surprise the future holds. Until next time, stay curious. Thank you.